Hello everyone, welcome to RoboticQA. In this session, we will learn how to write a new test cases in the Playwright. So in previous session, we have created the Playwright project. And I have explained like how to install the Playwright also. Okay, that created some sample folder structure, some sample test also. Okay, so let me quickly go through the framework structure and then we can move to the how to write your first test case. Okay, so this is not a framework but the default project created by Playwright. Okay, if you don't know how to create it, you can watch my previous video. So it created node modules. So because we are using TypeScript which is on node base. Okay, so it create node modules. It will keep all the packages here. Let's see the Playwright. Okay, and some transitive dependencies also. The report folder, like once we run the report command, it create this folder test result also, and the test folder contain all the test cases. Like these are like default test cases created by when we install the Playwright. Okay, so Playwright is giving sample test everything. Okay, so and it gives the package JSON also where we need to add the dependencies. Okay, so by default there are two dependencies like Playwright trace and type node. Okay, and the configuration file where we can maintain all the details. Okay, we'll see, like we'll have separate session how to do that. Okay, so for time being you can see this line number 15 where test dir. Okay, so test directory or test folder. So we have to give like where you are keeping your test. So I am keeping test inside a test folder. Okay, so let me create google.spec.js. so this is the format you should follow. Okay, so spec is the keyword we use to name the test case file name. Okay, so it anything like Google or you can name anything, but extension should be .spec.ts. that is good practice. Okay, so let's start writing the first test. So if I go to the website, Playwright website and documentation, you will see the section getting started, installation we covered, and writing first test. Okay, and here how we can write the first test case, and it is giving some code here, right? So I will explain how to write the syntax. So first thing you should import. Okay, first thing you have to import. So let me do the import. Sorry, go to ID. So I'll write here import. So what we need to import here, I need to create a test, right? So test, and for assertions, like you may have heard about the test-ng in the Java or chai mocha in the JavaScript. So this test is provided by Playwright test. Okay, and the expect also. So this is for assertion. So import test and expect from, and here I will write @Playwright test. Okay, so Playwright comes with the two things actually. There is a Playwright library and Playwright -test. Okay, so Playwright -test will provide all the things related to test. Let's say the assertion, creating test, okay, all these things. So invoking browser, communicating with different controls on browser is provided by the Playwright. Okay, @Playwright. But there is another also test also. Instead of this, if you don't want to use this test assertion, so if you are using BDD Cucumber, you don't need actually this Playwright test. You just need a Playwright. Okay, but we will come to that later. But for now we are learning, so we will start with this, which is given by the Playwright. Okay, and then you can write your test. So test start with a test block. Okay, test start with a test block, then give the bracket and give your test name here. So verify Google page title. Okay, this is my first parameter. Okay, so test is a keyword which we have to import. If you don't import, it will not work. Okay, and second parameter we have to give the async function, async, and then you can use the arrow function here. Okay, so async, and this is a arrow function. Okay, this is opening bracket and closing bracket. So inside that we have to write our logic. Okay, so this is clear, right? And inside this function we have to pass page. Okay, so I'll come to this, what is page here. So this page is a fixture. Okay, so this page is a fixture. Okay, this is provided by the Playwright itself. So you can consider this page is your browser tab. Okay, so like Selenium, you don't need to create like driver, Chrome driver instance, Firefox, anything. You just pass the fixture which is predefined in the Playwright and you can use it. Okay, so if I go to the website, and in this documentation also you have a fixture section, right? And if you scroll down, it has a fixtures. There are multiple fixtures like page, context, browser name, request. So we are using page fixture as of now. Okay, and slowly we will learn other fixtures also. Okay, so page is just consider it is a tab. Okay, so this syntax, I hope it is clear. So this test, it is coming from Playwright test. It take two parameter. One is the test description. So this is required when you execute your test script, it generate reports. So right, to in report, if you want to identify your test space by this description, you can understand, or this help to understand what is the test is all about. So async means this Playwright is asynchronous. Okay, and it wait for the element to load and all these things. Okay, and this is the fixture, one parameter we are passing, and this is the arrow function. Okay, now inside this I can write any code. So what we, okay, so what we need to do first is navigate to application. So how we will do that? Use the page fixture dot go to method is there in Playwright to navigate to any application. So inside that I will put my URL. So let me put https://google.com, and then I want to verify title of the page. Okay, so when I navigate to google.com, I want to verify the title. So title means, let's say for this page the title is fixture pipe symbol Playwright. Similarly, if I go to google.com, the title is Google. Okay, so on the top it is showing Google, or even we can go to inspect, and here also we can find the tag, title tag. It is under the head, and if I go to title, it is showing here title. So this text we are verifying. So for Google it is G capital Google, right? So let me verify it. So for that we will use expect. So you see we have imported expect also from Playwright test. So this is used to do the assertion. So this page dot to, okay, there are multiple methods, to be defined, to be falsy, okay, to have screenshot, to have URL, and title also. So this time we are verifying the title. So I will write here Google. Okay, this will do the verification. Let me run this test and see if it is working. So it is giving me some error. So we have to use await also because we are using async. So before this line we have to use await keyword. So means wait for the page load. It's different. Now let me put await here also and run it. So now this time it worked. Okay, so you understood like what is the importance of this await, because await means when you use async function you have to use await. That is the rule you have to keep in mind. So when you navigate, it is waiting for a page load because of this await. And if you don't put await, like it is just it is still loading and it is trying to verify the title and there is no title. So it failed. So now your one test is passed, and the Playwright will open this report also by default. Okay, and if you see it executed in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Okay, so the reason is because we have not changed any configuration in the Playwright config file. By default there are all the browsers are configured. Okay, so if you see like desktop Chrome, desktop Firefox, Safari. Okay, WebKit means it is Safari. So all these are configured. So if you remove this one, it will not run in all the browsers. So this time let me run through the terminal. Okay, go to terminal and type npx playwright test google .spec.ts, the file name. So there are different way. I want to run specifically this file only, so it run. And to open the report, it is giving me the command also, right? So I can copy and paste it here and run it. It will open the report also. So it opened the report as well. So if you see the Google title, it is showing all the before hook, navigation also, then expect also, and after hook also, all the details it is showing. And Chromium means this run in the Chrome browser. So I hope you understood like how to run your test, write your first test case. Okay, let me